Next, exercise the second question. Exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5 la second question. Second question, one polynomial is given ax square plus bx plus c. So I have to take this polynomial as f of x. F of x is equal to the given polynomial. This polynomial divided by x plus 3 and x minus 5 and x minus 1 divided by the three polynomials. We get the remainders are 21, 61, 9. 21, 61, 9. Right? About x plus 3 using remainder theorem, f of minus 3. F of minus 3 is equal to 21. This implies substituting x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 squared is 9a. What is the minus 3 into b? Minus 3b plus c. This answer is equal to 21. We get the first equation. And the next f of x minus 5 is a divisor. X minus 5 is a divisor now. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. So f of 5 is equal to 61. This implies 5 squared is 25. 25a plus 5b plus c is equal to 61. This is the second equation. And third one, x minus 1 is given. So f of plus 1 is equal to 9. This implies a plus b plus c is equal to 9. We get the three equations. So next we have to write the matrix form. So matrix form is Matrix form is 9 minus 3 1 25 25 5 1 1 1 1 into variables are a b c is equal to the right side is 21 61 9. This is in the form of a x is equal to b. Next, you have to write the augmented matrix. Next, you have to write the augmented matrix. Next, you have to write the augmented augmented matrix. So augmented matrix is A slash B. A slash B is equal to 9 minus 3 1 slash 21. What is the next step? 25 5 1 61. Next step 1 1 1 9. Next step we have to apply the elementary transformation. Applying the elementary transformation, this one is converted into some format. So very easily this number is a base number, this number is a base number. So we have to interchange the first row and third row. First row and third row. Interchanging the first row and third row, we get 1 1 1 9. Second row the same elements 25 5 1 61. Third row is 9 minus 3 1 21. And then you have to solve it. So second row allocation. Second row implies R2 minus 25 times of R1. And third row allocation is R3 minus 9 times of R1. This implies first row 1 1 1 9. Second row 25 5 1 61. First row can be multiplied with minus 25. So minus 25 minus 25 minus 925 are 225. Adding we get 0 minus 20 minus 24 minus 164. So 0, minus 20, minus 24, minus 164. And third row elevation is third row minus 9 times of first row. Third row minus 9 times of first row. 9 minus 3, 1. Third row is 9 minus 3, 1. Last one is 9. And first row can be multiplied to minus 9. We get minus 9, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9 times are 81. So adding this one we get 0, minus 12, minus 8, minus 72, minus 72. Sorry. This one is 21. This one is 21. The 21 will be minus 0, 61. Right. So the third row elements are 0, minus 12, minus 8, minus 60. 0, minus 12, minus 8, minus 60. Third row over. We get a equal comma. No. Again after the third row implies second row implies second row divided by 4, and third row is also divided by 4. This implies 1, 1, 1, 9. Second row divided by 4. 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24, minus 4 fours are 16, 1 4 is 4. Again 0, minus 3 fours are 12, minus 2 fours are 8, minus 15 fours are 60. It is an equivalent form or no? It is not an equivalent form. And then after the third row only, third row implies 5 times of the third row minus 3 times of the second row. 5 times of the third row minus 3 times of the second row. So 1, 1, 1, 9, 0, minus 5, minus 6, minus 41. So 0, second row can be multiplied to third row. Third row can be multiplied by 5. So minus 15, minus 10, minus 75. Second row can be multiplied by minus 3. Minus 3 is plus 50. Plus 18 plus 123. Adding this one we get 0, 0, 8, 48. So 0, 0, 8, 48. This is the third row elements. We get an equivalent form. Yes, this is an equivalent form. So it is the last one. It is in equivalent form. It is in equivalent form. So therefore, next we have to write the equations. Equations are matrix form. Matrix form is 1, 1, 1, 0, minus 5, minus 6, 0, 0, 8. This into the variables are A, B, C. A, B, C is equal to the right sides are minus 9, minus 41, 48. Next we have to frame the equation using this matrix form. So frame the equation. The equations are A plus B plus C is equal to 9. First equation. Second equation is minus 5B minus 6C is equal to minus 41. Second equation. Third equation is 8c is equal to 48. So directly we get the answer 6 is 48. C value is substituting in the second equation. We get minus 5b minus 6 are 36 is equal to minus 41. So minus 5b is equal to plus minus is plus minus is larger. So minus 5. Minus minus are cancelled. So B answer is equal to 1. And then substitute these values in first equation. First equation is a plus b value 1 and c value 6 is equal to 9. So 6 plus 1 7. 7 goes by 6 minus 7. 9 minus 7 answer 2. 9 minus 7 answer 2. Find the ABC answer question. So the A value 2, B value 1, C value 6. C value 6. Next question. A boy walking along the path. The path equation is given. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And passing through the points minus 6, 8, minus 2, 12 and 3, 8 are given. He meet his friend at 7, 60 is given. 7, 60. He meet his friend at 7, 60. Will he meet his friend or not? Ask the question is, will he meet his friend? So say yes or no. Say yes or no. So first, choosing the first point. This point passing through this point. That is, x is replaced by minus 6, y is replaced by 8. So this implies 36. 36 8 plus, x is replaced by minus 6. Minus 6b plus c is equal to 8. First equation. Second point passing through this path is this path passing through this point. X is replaced by minus 2. So 2 squared is 4a and then minus 2b plus c is equal to y value minus 12. Third one 3, 8. 3 squared is 9. 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 8. 3 equations. So we are the 3 equations. Right? You have to check it. Satisfying this equation. First you have to find the a, b, c value and then you have to substitute this point in this equation. This equation is satisfied. The boy meet his friend. Otherwise, it is not possible. So first you have to write the matrix form. Matrix form is 36 minus 6 1 4 minus 2 1 9 3 1 into A B C. Into A B C is equal to 8 minus 12 8. This is in the form of AX is equal to B. This is in the form of AX is equal to B. And next you have to write the augmented matrix. Next you have to write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is A slash B. So A matrix is 36 minus 6 1 and then 8 4 minus 2 1 minus 12. So 9 3 1 8. Using algebraic transformation, this one is converted into equivalent form. This one is converted into equivalent form. So we have two. Using this one, that is we have to write the equivalent matrix. That is interchanging the first row. Interchanging the first row and second row. Interchanging the first row and second row. So first row elements are 4 minus 2 1 minus 12. Second row elements are 36 minus 6 1 8. Third row elements are 9 3 1 9 3 1 8. If I add the second row implies second row minus 9 times of the first row, and then third row alteration. Third row alteration is 4 times of third row minus 9 times of the first row. 9 times of the first row. Right? R2 alteration, first row having the same elements. So first row having the same elements, 4 minus 2 1 minus 12. Second row alteration, second row is 36 minus 6 1 8. First row can be multiplied by minus 9, so minus 36 plus 18 minus 9 plus 108. So answers are 0, 12 minus 8 116. So 0, 12 minus 8 116. Second row over, and then after the third row. Third row implies 4 times of R3. R3 can be multiplied by 4. So 36. 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32. R1 can be multiplied by minus 9. Minus 9 4s are 36. Plus 18. Minus 9. Plus 108. Over 0. 18, 20, 30. Minus 5. 1, 40. So the third elements are 0, 30, minus 5, 140. It is an equivalent form. No, it is not an equivalent form. And then again, third row, this second row implies second row elements are divided by 4. And third row implies third row elements are divided by 5. So 4 minus 2 1 minus 12. Second row can be divided by 4. So the 0, 12 by 4 3 minus 8 by 4 2. 2 4s are 8. 3 9 4s are 36. Third row divided by 5. 0, 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30 minus 1. 2 5s are 10, 8 5s are 40. So it is an equivalent form. No, it is not an equivalent form. So again, after the third row only. So the third row implies third row minus 2 times of the second row. Third row minus 2 times of the second row. So first row 4 minus 2 1 minus 12. Second row 0 3 minus 2 29. And third row implies third row elements are 0 6 minus 1 28. Second row can be multiplied by minus 2. So 0 minus 6 plus 4 2 29s are 58. Adding this one we get 0 0 3 0 5 minus 2 3. Sorry. Minus 58. Minus 30. So 0 0 3 minus 30. Right. Next you have to take this equivalent form. Yes, it is in equivalent form. It is in equivalent form. After finishing the equivalent form, you have to write the matrix in this format. 4 minus 2 1 0 3 minus 2 0 0 3 into into the variables are a, b, c is equal to the right side values are minus 12, 29, minus 30. Right. We have to frame an equation using the last matrix. So equations are 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to minus 12. First equation. Second equation is 3b minus 2c is equal to 29. Third equation is 3c is equal to minus 30. So the c is equal to minus 10. We get the c answer. And substituting this value into, so 3b minus into minus plus 2 tens are 20 is equal to 29. So the 3b is equal to 20 goes like this minus 29. So b is equal to 3. We getting the b answer. Substituting these values are in equation 1. 4a minus 2b minus 2 3s are 6 plus c minus 10 is equal to minus 12. So 4a 16 goes right side is plus 16 minus 12 4. So the a answer 1. A answer 1. So therefore the equation of a path. Therefore the equation of a path A is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, right? So he will meet his friend or not? Will he meet his friend? So for p, that is p 7 comma 60r. So substituting x is equal to 7, y is equal to 7 squared 49, 7 3s are 21, minus 10. So answer 49, 50, 70, 70 minus 10, 60. So we get answer. So for p 7 comma 60 satisfies the path equation, therefore he will meet his friend.